Hi, this is Richard Crouch with Align Pinel in Saratoga, California. We're here today to tell you about a very special home in the hills above Saratoga in Silicon Valley. We are using a video because we want to give you much more detail than you could ordinarily get through a virtual tour and tell you about the materials and features of the home. I hope you'll enjoy it.
This modern custom home is situated on 2.78 acres of paradise overlooking the Silicon Valley. The owner has spared no expense in caring for this unique property. The home features world-class architecture, soaring ceilings, exotic materials, and fine millwork throughout. There are 4 bedrooms including 2 master suites, 2 Jack and Jill bedrooms, and joining bath, plus an office which can be converted into a 5th bedroom. The master suite is secluded and quiet, including a large custom closet and wonderful master bath remodeled in 2011 with granite countertops and tub surround. The master bedroom offers views of the gardens, the city lights, and the sunrise. The expansive great room features high ceilings, ample kitchen space, wall-to-wall windows, and a huge array of skylights. The beautiful golden floors are made from an extinct species of old-growth heart pine logged in the 19th century. The rare timbers were later recovered from the bottom of shipping channels in Florida, perfectly cured and preserved. The kitchen is an extraordinary part of this home, as you can tell from the photographs and from the video itself. With 2 islands, plenty of room for food preparation, beautiful granite, manufactured fir cabinetry, and maybe most importantly, an open floor plan to allow cooks to engage with company and watch the Super Bowl while cooking. Featured in the kitchen are Thermador professional gas grill, convection oven, microwave oven, and warming drawer. Also Sub-Zero refrigerator, wine cooler, and 2-drawer island installed freezer, and Miele dishwasher. As we now follow the hard pine down the hallway to the half bath, we see inlaid sodalite, blue marble, transitioning from the hallway into this beautifully mirrored guest powder room. The loft is a multifunction room, which is an ideal hideaway for the kids or an adult office if a 5th bedroom is needed. The question always comes up if the plexiglass ceiling over the hallway can be walked on as part of the floor in the loft. The answer is yes. The loft has a futon for sleepovers, a desk with killer views of the valley, and an area with bookshelves and space for playing board games or video games. The plexiglass panes are easily removed to permit movement up to or down from the loft space. Hooks above the opening make it possible to string a pulley strong enough to raise or lower the largest and heaviest items. This home has an abundance of stimulating views of nature and artistic touches. These are 3 of my favorites. A unique 800 square foot rooftop loggia offers sweeping panoramic views of the valley below and the mountains in back. The space is tiled in natural travertine and includes a built-in barbecue and cooktop, plus many potted plants with automatic drip irrigation. The grounds feature exquisite landscaping and extensive stonework, using a natural slate specially imported from India. Mature oaks surround the property. There are several water fountains and a tastefully designed lighting system. There are also many fruit trees, including peach, gala apple, avocado, pluot, apricot, and several citrus. All other plantings are drought tolerant, and the backyard is fenced in to keep deer out and pets contained. A mosaic-tiled Vanishing Edge spa overlooks the city lights and the pastoral Saratoga wine country to the north. The spa is nearly zero maintenance thanks to a fully automated chemistry system which maintains perfect crystal clear water at all times. The spa also has an iPhone web remote control so you can activate it from anywhere, for example while you're out to dinner or coming home from the office. The home features a zoned radiant floor system with 6 zones, as well as forced air heating and cooling with 4 zones. The radiant floors silently maintain perfectly stable temperatures throughout the house and feel wonderful on bare feet. A hot water circulator also provides instant hot water at every tap. A large 8.1 kilowatt solar array tucked away on the south-facing hillside provides 90 to 100% of the property's electrical usage. With energy costs rising, this large expanse of hillside is a huge asset, offering space to expand the solar system for electric vehicle charging and/or the addition of a heat pump to offset gas usage. A 20 kilowatt standby generator automatically keeps the entire home running indefinitely during a power outage. A hardwired UPS system and several whole house surge suppressors protect all sensitive electronics and audiovisual equipment. The utility pad is engineered to allow for future expansion of the solar power plant. There is both electrical overcapacity and additional space on the hillside to be able to grow the system. The solar inverter unit is rated for 11 kilowatts and presently has 8 kilowatts of panels connected to it. So with the same inverter and no other electrical upgrades, the system can be expanded by 3 kilowatts, about 38%, by simply extending the panel array. Further expansion is possible with the addition of another inverter. The subpanel can be backfed with approximately double the generation that is presently connected. The additional electrical generation could have several uses. Electric car charging. This would be a really good deal with the way PG&E tariffs are set up, because you would be selling power at the peak daytime rates and buying it back at the cheapest possible nighttime rates. Basically, it puts a multiplier on the power that you're generating. Secondly, household heating to offset and eliminate propane use. There are a couple of ways you could do this. A specific plan that we've already thought of was to add a heat pump to the hydronic floor system. The heat pump would go on the north end of the property and would simply add heat to the water system that is circulating through the floors. Thirdly, another option would be to convert the AC system to a heat pump. The south-facing hillside on this property is a killer asset which potentially allows the property to be more than 100% energy self-sufficient. Internet service is provided by a microwave link delivering 40 megabits of bidirectional throughput, fiber optic speed, directly to a data center in Sunnyvale.
So now we're in the garage. I wanted to show you a few things that this house offers. When you think about garages, maybe the first thing you think about, of course, is cabinets for storage. And this has beautiful cabinets, as you can see. Many people commented they're as nice as the ones that they have inside their homes. And the other thing is getting some overhead storage. So in this garage you have a whole bunch of storage bins, triple height on this side, double height on this side. It gives you lots of options. And then when it comes to the bicycles and other bulky things that you have in the garage that you really want them out of the way, you've got this raising bar and you just hook them on and the bar goes up and they're out of the way. And then I also want to show you that one of the things that the house has also is compressed air, which could be for bicycle tires, for blowing dust off the woodworking equipment, any number of applications. And this is turned on and off, as are so many other things in the home, the lighting, the fountains, etc., with the iPhone.
Really incredible. This house can be controlled in every imaginable way from the iPhone. And of course, that could be also from any computer anywhere in the world. The idea of it, of course, is to be able to turn on and off things as required, as needed. And the application that runs this is called Indigo Touch. You can download that to your iPhone. And then there's some specific software that's been written on a server at the house that controls everything. So first and foremost, it controls the playing of music throughout the home. Also, streaming internet brings music into the house through a Logitech device. Seller was his company that developed the first generation of that product called Squeezebox, which became a Logitech product. And then lights, every imaginable combination of lights on and off throughout the house. One of the most interesting things is as you come up the driveway at night, returning home, as soon as you arrive at the house, all of the lights in the house are turned on to welcome you. Fountains outside are controlled by the iPhone as well. The bedrooms and the baths, lighting, the master bedroom, exercise room, the garage and utility area, including the air compressor that we showed on the video. The HVAC thermostats can be turned on and off, the laundry exhaust fans, the garage door, the pump shed,
the lights there to control the spa. A great room and kitchen. Every light, the bright lights as well as the pendants over the kitchen counters and islands. The hallways and the common areas. Foyer lights, hallway lights, in the loft, wall sconces, you name it. Outdoor, you've got control of all of the fountains. There's one by the master bedroom, one in the driveway when you first arrive. Outdoor lights behind the house. Outdoor lights, front porch, garage, kitchen door. 3 sets of landscape lights. And these landscape lights at night, backdropped against the valley lights, are phenomenal. So as you can see, the iPhone is really quite a tool. And there's really no limit on what you can do. And the seller has promised to help with the buyer of this house to understand how to set things up and how to make changes and add features and so on and so forth. One of the favorites, of course, is the spa. You're at the office, you've had a long, hard day. Boy, it's going to be great if I get home, I can get in the spa and have it just be ready right at the perfect temperature. You can do that right from your iPhone at work, and it's just amazing how well it works. And the iPhone also, as far as the spa is concerned, helps to monitor and make sure that it's operating correctly in terms of the chemicals, all of which is fully automated. And we've talked about that previously in this video. So lots of fun with the iPhone and the automatic control of the house. As we've already mentioned, we've got solar power plant. We've got cellular uplinks for wideband internet, 40 megabits per second, streaming music, everything you can well imagine that you'd want in this day and age in your home.
This concludes the tour of this wonderful home today. I hope that you found it appealing and will give me a call for a personal tour. Have a great day.